Today we are doing a Tai Chi Walking flow, lower body only, stances and stepping. So if you begin following me like I am your mirror image, I am your reflection in a mirror, raising your right hand, raising your left hand, sinking your weight into the right so that you can open the door, lift the left heel, place it to the side and down. And then continue flowing your weight into the left fully so that we can lift up the right, pull it in and down, shifting the weight to the right. Inhale, exhale, breathing in, breathing out. Let's walk back in the other direction. Lift up, step out, shift the weight, pour it into one leg, emptying all the way to the other one so I can bring it in, down, shifting the weight back to it, stepping out, down, over, down, out, down, over, in, down, out, down, in, down, out, down, over, in, flowing like water. Back to our start. Now let's step to the front with catwalk 1. So shift your weight to the left. T-step or T-stance. Step out with the heel. Weight forward. Heel to toe roll. Flowing the weight shift forward. Bring in the other leg. Step, roll, flow. Catwalk 1. Stepping back, sit back. Your weight on the right, sit back more. We should be able to lift the toe of the lead leg, bring it in, bring it back out. Sit down, shifting the weight back, in, out, down, and back. Stepping back. Then we can get in to our T-stance. Step out, 50-50, Wuji. Catwalk 2. Shift the weight to the left. Fully. I can now pivot on the right heel so the right toe goes out, turns out, 45 degrees or less. I shift my weight onto that leg, come in T-stance, step out, flow forward, flow back, turn, come up, flowing my weight into this foot, stepping out with this one, forward, back, turn, up, out, forward, back, sit back, pull back, step back, flow back, continue, stepping back. Now we're going to be doing grasping bird's tail. Let's shift the weight first, step forward, flow forward, flow back. Step back. Let's switch to the other side. Let's add our hand movements. We're going to be holding a ball. We're turning to the side, warding off, but it keeps on going. up, holding the ball, turning to the other side, roll back arm, up, press, separate, and push. Nice, deep sigh of relief. So let's begin grasping bird's tail. Shift the weight to the left. Turn out the right. Step in and hold the ball. Left hand on the bottom. Step out with the left and the right. Step out with the left hand and left foot. Forward, up, back, into the side, up, reinforce, press forward, separate, sink back, and push. Now the other side. Step back, hold the ball on the other side. Grasping bird's tail. Shift the weight to the left. Turn out the right. Step up with the left. Hold the ball on the right. Left hand on the bottom. Attach to the left foot as we go out. And up. Weight forward. Weight shifting back. Hands come down to the side as we turn to the side. Right hand comes up, reinforces, presses forward. Separate hands, sink your weight back, and push. Stepping back to the other side. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale, hold the ball. Exhale, carry it high. Breathing in as you come back, and out as you press to the front. Inhale. Exhale. Come back. Now for some self-applied massage, some acupoint massage on the knees, on and around the knees. So let's start by briskly warming up our palms. And we'll just warm up our knees. Circling around the front of our knees. Find the eyes of the knees and just pull up and down a little bit so your tailbone pull down, some leverage. Breathe. Next, find the 3-mile point. Hold it. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. We can also cup it. And we can find it. Follow the shin bone down through the stomach channel. Find some soreness, rub that soreness. And then rub the back of the knees briskly. Rub the sides of both legs around the knees. Nice. Inhale, float. Exhale, sink. Gathering energy, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Shift the weight and close the door. Thank you for joining me.